Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you different features found in Zoom. On the Zoom homepage you will find different icons such as New Meeting, Join a Meeting, Schedule a Meeting and Share Screen. Up top here you also find Chat, and then you have also Meetings, Contacts, and then if you go back to the home page you will notice here that there's setting. If you double click on that, you also see that there are different features under general. So in this video I'm not going to explain how do we use these features, because I'm going to do that in the next video. So for now I'm just showing you different features that you find in Zoom. So I hope you find this helpful, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.